Hi guys, this is organic nomenclature and we are naming carbonyl compounds called aldehydes. So the general formula of an aldehyde is RCHO. Because the functional group has a carbon atom present in it, the CHO carbon will always be the first carbon atom. And this would have a general formula in terms of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as CnH2n plus 1 and followed by the functional group CHO. So in order to name the aldehydes, the compounds would be H, CHO, CH3, CHO, CH3, CH2, CHO, so on and so forth. Numbering is fixed 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So the name of these compounds would be, in the first case, it would be called methane, METHAN. We remove the E and we add AL, called methanol. The next compound would be called ethanol. The next compound would be called propanol. Next would be called butanol, followed by pentanol, followed by hexanol, so on and so forth. So, introducing substituted groups to aldehydes, we end up with compounds like CH3, CH, CHO, and we place an NO2 group here. So the numbering would be 1, 2, and 3, and this compound would be called 2 nitropropanol. Taking another example, we have a CH3 group. We've got two CH in between, so two substitutions, and then CHO, the substitute groups being OH and Cl. So the numbering is fixed 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to use the numbers to give the number of the substitute group along with alphabetical preference. So we've got a hydroxy and a chloro group. So the preference would be given to the chloro over the hydroxy. So the name would become 3 chloro 2 hydroxy butanol. The next example is CH3, CH, T, TH, and CHO having four substitutions. So let's place a methyl group, followed by a nitro group, followed by a chloro group, followed by a hydroxy group. So the numbering would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So making this compound pentanol. Now the preference would be given to chloro, followed by hydroxy, followed by methyl, followed by nitro. So the name of the compound would be 2 chloro 3 hydroxy 3 methyl 4 nitro and pentanol. Another example would be CH3 CH CH CHO, both having a CH3 group on them, substituted groups. Both of them would be CH3. So the numbering would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the name of this compound would be 2, comma 3 dimethyl, and 4 carbon aldehyde would be butanol. This is how aldehydes are named.